Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here in Salmia Clinic in Kuwait, state of Kuwait. Punta po kayo dito to all OFW. Free check up po lahat about your sugar. Lahat po punta po kayo dito. Free check up po 8 AM until 1 PM po. Punta kayo dito lang po. Yan po Royal dito sa may Salmia. Yan may oxygen supplement, dito lang po. May Royal, dito lang po. Yan, building na yan. Punta po kayo dito. Yan po, dito po, pasok kayo. Yan, mission. Uy, may isog. May isog. Ito po, free check-up. Medical mission. Collaboration with Salmia Clinic. This medical mission ends. So, non-medical healthcare service for free medical service. Salmia Clinic, Block 9, Baghdad Street, Salmia. October 24 and October 31. Friday po. 8 AM to 1 PM. Then, pasok po kayo dito. Yan po. First po, mag-register. Register your name. Hi. Hi to my vlog.
Welcome.
Dito po, magpa-register kayo kay ma'am. Ma'am Sen and Ma'am Vlog and Ma'am Treasurer from Maisog.
Welcome to Maisog Clinic.
Yeah.
You can avail a lot of health services.
Free po to ma'am, free. Ano po mga free ma'am?
Marami po tayong free. Ang sugar check-up, total cholesterol check-up, tapos yung oxygen saturation, yung blood sugar, blood pressure. Tapos, pwede din po tayo mag-free consultation with the general physician, with the intensivist, tapos internist, tapos sa ENT, dental, at gynecology. Tapos po, while waiting for the result, you have 10 days follow-up for free. At saka, kung gusto naman nyo po mag-further investigations, meron po silang mga special health package, which is ma-avail nyo po lahat yung CBC, triglycerides, liver function, kidney function, at ECG for only 5 kg. Usually, may mga presyo po siya individually. But for today, you can avail it for 5 kg lang po.
Yan po additional ma'am.
Ito na po yun.
And the rest free na po.
Ito yung free. Ito yung mga add-ons.
Okay.
Ito, kung gusto nyo ng further investigations, pwede natin makuha ito sa 5 kg na lang. And then, meron po tayong health card.
Health card.
Ito.
Yan.
Oo. Ito po is only for 2 kg, pero isang taon.